Hi guys, so I'm trying out this Everyuth tan removal brightening facial kit. It's the chocolate and cherry version and it has 5 products inside. Like there are different steps, there are 5 steps and each step is written on the tube. And the first step is the face wash. The face wash smells really good and is very gentle and cleansed well. It is gel based, so I like how it felt on my skin. Step 2 was the scrub and it has jojoba seed powder. Again, it was very gentle and I concentrated mostly on my nose and T-zone area where I usually have blackheads or whiteheads. Step 3 is the massage cream, and you have to moisten your face and massage it like for 10 to 15 minutes, and always massage in outwards and upwards motion. I have a detailed video on different massaging techniques. I have done a similar facial video earlier. I will link the video down in the info bar and also on the eye on the top. But yeah, check out that video to know more about the different massaging techniques. So that is what I did. I massaged for like 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, also always concentrate on one individual area as well. So there are different techniques you follow and you have to do it for 10 to 15 minutes and moisten your skin in between if it feels dry. Step 4 is the face pack. Now again, the face pack also smells really nice and it was a detoxifying face pack. I think it was clay based, but yeah, even that, like, you have to keep for 10 to 15 minutes. I kept it for like 15 minutes and yeah, you can chill in between. Also hydrate guys, drink lots of water. And finally, step 5 is the serum, which was very moisturizing and hydrating. I overall really like this kit. I could see the difference and I do recommend this. This is priced at $250, but I currently saw it on Nykaa at $150. I will link it below. But I really like how my skin looked and felt after this. One kit will last you 3 uses at least. Let me know your thoughts. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.